Hello and welcome to Trikids. So, in today's lecture, we are going to see the questions based on direction. The questions on directions are asked in different exams like SSC, RRB, and banks, etc. So, let's start. So, before solving the questions on the direction, first let's understand the concept behind this. So to solve any questions based on directions, we must understand this figure. In this figure, four directions mainly like north, east, south and west are denoted. So you must remember these directions. North is facing upwards, east is towards our right hand side, south is downwards and west is in our towards our left. So and sometimes they ask questions based on northeast direction, southeast, southwest and northwest. So from 45 degree to north and east there will be northeast direction. Similarly in between east and south there will be southeast direction, and same for the others. So let's see question on based on the directions. So in this question it is given that Ajay walks 24 km towards east and turns to right hand side and takes a drive of another 10 kilometers. He then turning to his right another 10 kilometers. He then turns to his left and walks another 8 km. After that he turns to his right and travels 14 km. So it is asked that how far is he from his initial point and in which direction. So to solve these type of questions, these are very basic type of questions. You can easily solve them in 10 to 15 seconds. So let's start. So first of all we denote point O, which is our starting point. So from point O, Ajay walks 24 km towards east. So from O point we will take OA for 24 kilometers. And now it is given that he turns to right hand side and takes a drive of another 10 kilometers. Suppose you are standing at point A and facing towards east. So your right hand will be towards south and left will be towards north. So it is given that he turns towards right hand side. So we will take a turn from point A and will go for 10 kilometers. So AB is 10 kilometers. Now it is given that he then turns to his right another 10 kilometers. Now suppose you are standing at B, then your right again will be towards west side. So Ajay turns towards west for and walks for 10 kilometers. So BC is 10 kilometers. Now it's given that he then turns to his left. From point C he turns left and walks another 8 kilometers. So from point C, if he will turn left, then he will face towards south and walk for 8 kilometers. So CD is 8 kilometers. After that he turns to his right. From D point he turns his to his right. D he is facing towards south, so his RHS will be towards west. So from D he will turn towards E and walk for 14 kilometers. So as you can see we have reached on the same line, that from O2, from our starting point to the line going towards south. So it is asked that how far is he from his initial point. So if we see, the 10 kilometers is AB and CD is 8 kilometers. Total is 18 kilometers. So OE will be 18 kilometers. So Ajay is 18 kilometers away from his initial point, and it is asked in which direction he is. So OE is 18 kilometer and Ajay is facing towards south. So this will be our answer for the questions. Let's see another type of question. It is given one evening just before sunset, two friends Sanju and Manju were talking to each other face to face. If Manju's shadow was exactly to her left side, which direction was Sanju facing? So, as you know, at the time of sunset, sun is towards west because sun rises in the east and west and sets in west. So sun is towards west direction, and it is said that Manju's shadow was exactly to her left hand side. So if sun is towards west, then if Manju will face towards south, then only his shadow will be on the left hand side. So Manju is facing towards south. Suppose if Manju is facing north side, then his shadow will be towards his right hand side, not his left hand side. So according to the questions, if you will see, the Manju is facing towards south, and it is asked that in which direction was Sanju facing. Since they are face to face, then if we see in the below diagram, Manju is facing towards south, so his opposite person who is face to him, who is face to face him, her will be seeing towards north. So Sanju is facing towards north. So now let's see another problem on the directions. In the question it is given that Ahmedabad is to the southwest of the Bangalore. So we will take Bangalore as our starting position and we will denote it as B point, point B. So it is given that Ahmedabad is to the southwest of Bangalore. So southwest will be 45 degree in between south and west. So from B point towards 45 degree from west and south, it will be at point A. So A is Ahmedabad. And now it is given Chennai is to the east of Ahmedabad. From the Ahmedabad, if we will see, then east direction is towards RHS. So from point A, Chennai is to the east of Allahabad and southeast of Bangalore. So from southeast to Bangalore will be at 45 degree. So C point I have denoted for Chennai. And now it is given that Delhi is to the north of Chennai. To the north of Chennai will be and in line with Ahmedabad, Bangalore. So from Ahmedabad, Bangalore, we will take a line and and extend it. And if we'll see, the Delhi will be, since Delhi is to the north of Chennai, so it will be above to it. So it is asked in which direction of Bangalore is Delhi located. So if we see in this diagram, then Delhi is located in the northeast direction of northeast direction. So Delhi is located in the northeast direction of Bangalore. Sorry, I wrote this southwest. So thank you.